That's a 10.
No, it does not.
So that counts as 7.
Oh, it counts as 1-1.
No, that counts as 3. That counts as 7. Wait, no. No, 8.
Yeah. Alright, take your time. Did Keeghan walk out yet? Huh? He'll sing too. Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brady. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Whatever donut you want first.
He's a good dog.
Okay, that's what I figured.
I love vanilla dip.
There you go, boys.
And wax dripped.
Oh, that's the best.
Good. Those are the best.
Ooh.
You just chip it off. It comes right off. You guys want some milk?
It's Brady's 11th birthday. Happy birthday, bird. We got Mr. Andy Mawhorter there. Did I say it right?
No, but I really don't care.
Mawhorter?
Said it wrong? Mawhorter.
Mawhorter?
Yeah.
There it is. You got Mom.
Hello.
Hey,
Another Andy. What's up?
what's up?
Mr. Harrison, how you doing, buddy?
No,
And Mr. Riley. Say hi, Riley.
No,
Say hi.
Trevor and,
Yeah.
Keeghan.
Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. There you go.